Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it's going to be all about Boxycharm because my box finally came in. I don't know why I received it late this month, but it's here and I'm ready to review it for you guys. If you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe down below and also turn on post notifications. It notifies you every single time that I do have a new video. As soon as I get my Boxycharm box, I always upload right away. I'm very quick with that. So I'm going to give you guys a breakdown on how I do my Boxycharm videos. I'm going to put a timestamp right here for you guys if you guys want to go ahead and skip through this part. The first thing that I do like to do is read the pamphlet, and I go in the order that it shows on here, and I just show you guys the products that are in my box. I tell you guys the prices and then the total box value. I also tell you guys the benefits from each and every single product. And then after that, I move on to a tutorial. My tutorials are very quick. I don't really do like a breakdown tutorial. I just kind of do like an Instagram type of video where it's all music and you guys just see me applying and using the products. Since it is only music in the tutorial, if you guys have any questions for me, feel free to comment down below. I always respond to my comments. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and read off this pamphlet. So as you guys know, this month's theme is Boxy and Chill. And with my little tutorial, you guys are gonna see that I really get into the theme of Boxy and Chill. It's like Netflix and chill, but it's like Boxycharm instead. Okay, and then the first product that we have here is this Brogio, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, Don't Despair Repair Straighten and Moisture Leave-In Mask, and this is a 2-ounce bottle. This super moisturizing and straightening leave-in conditioner provides reparative benefits and beyond its unique formulation of micro encapsulated argan oil and its optional blend of transformative nutrients that include B vitamins, coconut oil, elagi extract, and biotin to help promote healthy hair that will leave you looking your very best. And this retails for $16. I forgot to mention to you guys that after my tutorial, I do kind of review the products and how they worked for me, so stay tuned for that. Okay, and then here we have the Smith & Colt Shining Lip Lacquer. The vibrant shades, cushion, texture, and extended wear formula make this stubbly sweet lip lacquer your new favorite lip gloss. Tailored to provide high performance, the Shining Lip Lacquer is formulated with Portulaca pilosa extract, whatever that is, to moisturize and to add volume to your lips, while natural coconut essence smooths and extends wear. This retails for $22. And yes, I'm currently wearing that right now. By the way, I did create this look using the products in the box, which I also forgot to mention. God, where's my head right now? Okay, and then the moment we have all been waiting for. Here we have the Tarte Limited Edition Rainforest of the Sea Highlighting Eyeshadow Palette. This is the volume 3. Dive into this vegan crease-free eyeshadow palette that features 7 highly reflective plush micro shimmers and 1 matte nude that serves as a perfect transition shade. This blendable and long-wear formula is enriched with vitamin E and antioxidants, helping to hydrate and protect the lids. This retails for $36. The next item that we received is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask, and we received 2 of these. This nourishes skin from within using the lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is designed for maximum absorption, delivering 20 milliliters of skin-quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy, luminous glow. A scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae instantly restore skin health and radiance, and this retails for $24. I just realized I look orange because of this. It's making my video look weird. Last but not least, we have the Starlux Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil. Starlux expands into a mechanical eye pencil with a launch exclusively to Boxycharm. The intensely pigmented formula delivers a beautiful color that lasts all day. The easy-to-extend retract pen makes application and continuous use seamlessly easy without ever having to use a pencil sharpener. And this retails for $19. If you're new to Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription beauty box, so it's all beauty related. It's not always makeup, there's skincare, or last month we got a straightener. So you get this box, 4 to 5 full-size products for $21.99. It's a really good deal, especially if you're into makeup and you want to build a makeup collection. This is how I built mine. The box that we received this month is a total value of $117, and like I said, you get it for $21.99. So if this month's box convinced you, you can feel free to go down in my description box. There is a link The link down in the description box does sign you up for Boxycharm so you can get this month's box. And it also is an affiliate link, so I do make commission from you signing up. That just supports my channel and I really appreciate if you do so. Thank you so much. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and use all of the products that we received in this month's box, and then I'll come back with you guys and share my thoughts. So let's go ahead and jump right in.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
Isolated eyes, a messy mind. Think I need to help you, I'm gonna try. Cute as hell, baby, hotter than flames. Wanna burn together in a million ways. Now let me take the lead. Know you wanna play with me. Got secrets you might wanna see. You might wanna see. You might wanna. I know I'm not gonna regret this. Wanna get reckless, put you to the test, yeah. I know I'm not gonna regret this. I wanna get reckless. I wanna get reckless.
Alright, so let's go ahead and start with the Briojo Repair, whatever this thing is. It's hard to review this for you guys because it's only my first time using it and I have to use it continuously to see if it does make a difference. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys have seen that I've been doing a lot of hair tutorials as of lately, so I definitely will keep you guys posted. What I could tell you about this is that it is sulfate free, no silicones or parabens, so this is safe for color treated hair. As you guys know, I did go to hair school and I dye my hair all the time, so it's really important to me, or it should be to anyone that has color treated hair, to use products for your hair that don't have any sulfates or parabens so that it doesn't wash out your hair or dry it out. So I'm going to continue using it and I'll keep you guys updated. Then for the mask that we received from Tatcha, it left my skin really hydrated and it feels really nice because I did apply it here on my neck and I still feel it like it's like really hydrated. And it feels good, especially with this cold weather right now. It's doing my skin justice. So if you're someone that has dry skin, I think that you guys will definitely enjoy this. I'm not going in an order anymore, but let's go ahead and move on to this Tarte palette. So as you guys can see from the color scheme of this palette, there's honestly, like, there's not very much that you can do with the palette. I feel like it kind of hyped us up because it has the name Tarte, and you guys know Tarte is a really big brand. And this is a full-size palette, so I think that was like why people were really hyped about it, but I'm somebody that does like playing with color and deeper colors, so this just wasn't one of my favorites. I do love the shimmer eyeshadows. I think that Tarte does a really good job with their shimmers. They're really pigmented, as you guys can see on my lid. You can definitely put it to use, you just have to use other palettes to create looks with it, unless you're very simple and you just don't mind the color scheme in this palette. And then the eyeliner, I didn't really get to show you guys very well. It glides onto the waterline, as you guys seen in my tutorial. But I got mine in brown. I wish I got it in black. I really do like this though. And then we have the Smith & Colt. I want to say this is like a lip gloss. I did like this because it did give me like a hint of pink, like it looks like in the container. I don't know, and I've just been all about lip gloss lately because, like I already said, my skin and my lips have been very dry lately because of the weather. But yeah, that wraps it up for my January Boxycharm. I hope that you guys found this video helpful. If you guys have the time, be sure to check out my latest videos, which are going to be right over here. And also, if you hit the little circle with my picture in it, it subscribes you to my channel in case you haven't done so already. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!